Selfie TV. Alright, come on, let me show you dance. Grandchild primary. Ready? Ready? The selfie, ready? Come so now.
Now watch me nay nay. Okay. Now watch me well. Watch me nay nay. Now watch me well. Watch me nay nay.
Look for Selfie TV. Look for Selfie TV.
Watch me nay nay.
Come so.
Now watch me. 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 Watch me.
Come so now. Come so now.
Do the stanky leg. Do the stanky leg. Do the stanky leg. Do the stanky leg.
Selfie TV, I watch. Wow. Break your legs, break your legs. Everybody, everybody. Break your legs. Watch it now. Watch it now. Alright, now. Let me see if Selfie TV I watch. Alright, yes, we're on right there, so. Alright, now. All who wash them ear before them come out front here, put up your hand. When we say wash your ear, we not talk about no source of water. When we say wash your ear, we not talk about no lime in the ear. When we say wash your ear before you come out front here, we not talk about no sink Bible. When we say wash your ear, what matter? You say which song matter? I want to use a wash in the head. Follow me, ready. Grandchild primary. Do the shampoo. Oh, the shampoo. Hold your hand. Shampoo, hold some shampoo. Shampoo. Come on, man. Shampoo, hold your hand. Shampoo. Who wanna get the shampoo here? Shampoo. See there, shampoo. Go for the shampoo. Wash your head now. Wash your head. Under the pipe. Rinse your head. Alright, come so now. Show your ear. No man, show your ear. Your ear wet up. Eye the ear now. Girls, show me how you twist the ear. Selfie TV, look for the girl about twist the ear. Go up closer. Twist the ear. Jesus. How can I big granny black them there? Big up to Selfie TV. Let me hear you say Selfie TV. Let me hear you say cannabis. Let me hear you say Grandchild primary. I love my school. And I love dancing. You can dance.
The party time.
Selfie TV works.
Mr. Wakita, we say pick up the world when I go simple. Someone ask me and preach, but one do you pretty. If you love some house and rock it and leave it, move your shoulder, swagger and sing.
Everybody. Jesus, peace.
Which one on the floor make the
We just have creation of a band scratch is zero. Well, Andy. All who can drive, put up your hand. If you know you can drive, if you think you can drive, mommy car, put up your hand. If you feel like you can drive, daddy car, put up your hand. All right, now. The dancer near. The dancer near. Selfie TV. What rock is it? Oh, what's up? Y'all watch? We watch. Ready? Everybody know. Yes. Yeah. Yes. Come, sir. and stay up. Let me hear yourself. If you're there nice, so we up. Alright now. You see that one night well serious. If you love your school, say rich. And if me say, what's my first name? What will you say? And if me say, what's my last name? What will you say? And if me say, what's all of my name? What will you say? Everybody close up. Close up. Take out of here. See that the big dirty rich look. Ready now. Real rich. Close up. What on there? If you have on your own shoes, put them down. Take off one foot of your shoes if you're not buying nobody. If you're not buying nobody's shoes, take off one foot. We have one foot. How are your TV then here?
Selfie TV.
Rummy and Media. I mean, Rummy and Media and everything up here. Selfie TV. It's up. It's live. You see that? Up and live. Alright now. Tell Selfie TV which cartoon this? What your name?
Alvin and the Chipmunks.
Alright. Look up him. Alvin and the Chipmunks. Alright, we want to see if we're not a real cartoon headline because I watch more cartoon now, you know. I want you to tell me which cartoon this now. Alright then, you see that. Watch it now. Ready? Which cartoon is? Alright. Which cartoon is? You see it? Alright, now go for the next one. Go around that side. Go around that side. No, if you look at the computer, you are out. Alright? You cannot give me an answer, please. Don't look at my laptop. Just listen and just tell me which cartoon. Which one is? You are so wrong. It's Dora the Explorer. You said Dora alone like I know somebody else. You know, so it's Dora the Explorer. Ready again? Which cartoon is? Right. Which cartoon is now? What use it? Say Selfie TV. Alright. Ready, six. Selfie TV.
you stay by my side. The teacher tell us say goodbye. They tell me right now. If I couldn't buy you the fancy ring, shall you be alright? Come on, show me that you know.
If everything we have on new, send me primary. Bless up yourself, the general. Ready again. Go. Give me school dance.